All right, so this is the test 1 review for MAT 1033 Intermediate Algebra. We're going to be going over number 11. So it says solve the compound inequality, write your answer in interval notation. So it's a compound inequality because we have two inequality symbols. Concept's still the same. We're still trying to get x by itself. So I have 9x minus 20. Trying to get x by itself. Working from the outside in, I want to move this 20 because that's the furthest thing away from x. We are subtracting 20, so to get rid of it, we're going to do the opposite. Negative 20 plus 20 goes to 0. What you do to one side, you have to do to all other sides. This time I have 3 sides of my equation, so I have to put it to all 3 sides. So negative 2 plus 20 will give me 18, less than or equal to 9x. Those 20's canceled, less than or equal to 7 plus 20 is 27. Great, so almost done. So again, trying to get x by itself, I have 9 times x, so in order to get rid of the 9, I need to do the opposite. I need to divide all sides by 9. 9 divided by 9 goes to 1, they cancel out. On the left-hand side, 18 divided by 9 gives me 2. Less than or equal to x is by itself now. Less than or equal to 27 divided by 9 will give me 3. So I need to write this in interval notation. So I am going to graph this inequality. Over here is negative infinity, over here is positive infinity. So I'm talking about 2 and I'm talking about 3. So just looking at my first equation, it says 2 is less than or equal to x. So I know that x is greater than, the mouth is opening up to x is greater than x. Or 2 is less than x. We're talking about everything that's greater than everything to the right-hand side. We have or equals to, so that's going to be a bracket or a closed circle. And then now for my second sentence, I have x is less than or equal to 3. So we're talking about everything that's less than 3 now. So that's pointing to the right. Again, we have or equals to, so I have a bracket or a closed circle. So 2 and 3 are both included in this set. So notice both the arrows point together, so we're talking about everything that's in between 2 and 3. So my interval is from 2 to 3, both with brackets, both included to this in the set. And that is number 11 on the test 1 review for MAT 1033 Intermediate Algebra.